Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Fenia Septiani dari kelas manajemen 22A dengan NPM 22411033. Pada kesempatan kali ini, izinkan saya menjelaskan materi manajemen keuangan, materi ke-11 dengan yang berjudul Inventory Management. Definition of inventory management. Inventory management is one part of the company. The section serves to maintain and manage the inventory owned by the company. Some of the activities carried out in inventory management are starting from how to obtaining the inventory, storing until the inventory is utilized. The supplies are contain various meaning. It can be raw material, auxiliary material, work in progress good, finished good, even spare parts. Set the amount of inventory. It's not as easy as that estimate. If there are too many supplies, it will be higher costs for stores. Conversely, if less can actually hinder the process production, not to mention that company have to deal with a variety of uncertainties, starting from uncertainty of demand, order time to supply from suppliers. Here's what making inventory management very important. Inventory management function. Number 1. Anticipating inventory shortage. This must be considered especially for competition. Focus 1. Production. Although in general the supply of material is definitely coming, schedule and preparation steps are still important to do just in case it is like that inventory arrives late and will potentially disrupt the production process. Number 2. Anticipation inventory orders to not be in accordance with needs conditions such as not completion order might be rare, but not now maybe it can happen. Companies always have to ensure that inventory orders are accepted whether it is appropriate for the product process. Number 3. Just in case the required supplies are not on the market. The main function of inventory management is to ensure inventory material are always available. This step is to anticipation if the materials are commonly used not found on the market. It could be because the stock is out of stock or something else. Inventory management methods. Number 1. EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. Methods commonly referred to as the Economic Order Quantity method is one of the management methods. Inventory by purchasing inventory according to the order received. For example, companies get the order, it has been determined by the order how many order, specification, and time when it must be completed with which the company will take things into account, including how much material. So later it will be clear how much the need and nominal it won't be until the material happens. The rest of the alice fits. This method bring many benefits, starting from no-mindset costs as well as warehouse costs to store the rest of the material. Number 2. MRP, Material Recruitment Planning method, better known as the Material Recruitment Planning method. It is a control method as well as inventory planning to ensure raw material are always available. In addition to maintaining raw material still available to use, this method is also useful to ensure a small supply. Why inventory must be cultivated in maintaining that inventory is also the more leader. In this method will be carried out the some planning starting from purchase clothing schedule. Number 3, the just-in-time method. This method has another term, namely the timely method. Enable the company as much as possible may be made not to stock or have supplies, so that the company strives to have a supply of all or close to zero. This is because in the portion such intermediary costs will also not be incurred. But if you don't have inventory, how can you do production? Here are the advantages this method. The company will endeavor to purchase inventory only moment is just being needed, so that the amount can be adjusted to your needs, and there will be no left to first. So how by fostering good relations with raw material suppliers, make them as if part of the company, so when and how many suppliers will always be ready to supply supplies. Factor influencing supply management. Number 1, finance. Financial factor here include many things, including borrowing costs, tax fees, warehouse operation, and change in transportation costs. All of these factors can affect how much inventory you can have in the company, whereas for that, you need to consider all these factors when doing management inventory. Number 2, suppliers. Suppliers can have a great influence on controlling our inventory use by expense and organized production. Therefore, make sure you have reliable product supplier to prevent product shortage or delays on the production process. Number 3, lead time. Lead time or waiting time is the time needed when waiting for good ordered until the item arrives. In this case, the waiting time can vary greatly depending on the types of products and manufacturing process involved. If you do not take onto account the lead time, then there will be possibility that you will lack of stock. For that, adjust the lead time to your inventory needs. Number 1, product type. Please note that not all products can be stored for a long time. Some of them may be easily damaged or even cannot be used the same way. Therefore, you need to manage it to ensure that all products are in stock. You have a pretty good expiration date. Number 2, management. Another factor that is no less important is inventory management itself. To managing inventory, it takes good cooperation from all related parties. To survive the entire storage process, if management does not run well, then operational process can also be disrupted and ultimately harm the company. Number 3, external factor. Some external factors may have the potential to affect your inventory. For example, such as a decrease in the level of the economy or a high level of local competition. These factors are rarely out of your control, so it's a good idea to assess the factor internal regularly to keep your company prepared for any eventuality with the How to choose the right inventory management app. To choose the best inventory management for your business is determined by several factors, which include budget, type of business, as well as features specialists such as mobile apps and cloud backup. In this case, you can choose which method to use. To use just you just need to adapt it to your business need and what is the purpose of inventory management for the company you. However, the most important thing is how you will perform the method management the inventory itself. If you it manually, the most likely your will be slow and not advanced. Therefore, you need a tool that comes with features advanced that can manage your inventory, for example, such as cloud-based CRM system that can help provide insight about your inventory comprehensively. Activities carried out by supply management. There are several main activities carried on inventory management like number 1, user sufficient inventory for the current period. Number 2, insert inventory is managed optimal. Number 3, inventory cost as effective as possible. Efficiency refers to how each company can minimize inventory costs of the three things mentioned above. The main purpose of inventory management is to do cost efficiency. The end is to help the company more optimal profit. Then the efficiency to be achieved can minimize inventory costs. Inventory costs are are costs are costs that arise due to placement of inventory storage until the inventory is outsold or used company. The cost of this inventory is not can be considered trivial consideration. The amount can be very large if not managed properly. Conclusion. In conclusion, inventory management is way done by the company manage all the inventory it has. Moreover, inventory management also serves to anticipation the lack of inventory ensuring production continues to run smoothly, anticipating if the goods are scarce and avoid incompatibility between inventory of goods with necessities. Demikian yang bisa saya sampaikan dari materi manajemen keuangan materi ke-11. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.